Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to create a Spotify account. So first thing is you open a Google browser on your PC or in your laptop. You can use any browser for PC. Then click open new tab. There on the search bar you type in spotify.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page of Spotify. Once you're at the official web page, you need to click on sign up over here on the top right corner. Click that. So there are ways how you can sign up for the account. You can sign up with Facebook, sign up with Google, or you can do this with the email process. We're going to go with the email process for this one. So first thing is you type in your email address. You need to retype the email address on the below text box. You can just copy paste the email and paste it over here. Then create a new password over here. What should we call you? You need to provide a profile name that will be displayed as your name in Spotify. Then provide your date of birth. Choose your gender. You will have the option whether you want your gender to be revealed in Spotify account or not. You can choose the option prefer not to say, or you can just choose it. And then you need to click on the checkbox share my registration data with Spotify content provider for marketing purpose. Then click on sign up. And just with that, you will have yourself a Spotify account. So this is how you can easily create a Spotify account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.